Hey, what's up guys? This is Rafa again here. We're going to the car culture event. Last minute decided to take more than one car or two cars. Getting a last minute watch here at Spotless. You guys do a great job whenever you're around or in a hurry. We're taking the SF90, the Senna, the 600 LP, and the 675. So super excited. It should be a good show. All right, so we just got back. The show was a success, a pretty good turnout. They gave us our own little VIP area for the cars, so we were able to line them up. We had a lot of the guys and girls that are going to be part of the club show up as well. We're starting to get everybody's cars decaled and represented. So we had, I think, 6 cars or something like that actually had the decals on it. So just getting the brand out and more recognition. So yeah, super excited. It was a good time. Weather held up pretty nice. Cars are now clean, and yeah, we're just you know, done with the day. But thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, notifications, tell your friends, tell your family. Thank you for watching.